Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to stream your favorite movies and shows from your iPhone, iPad or Mac to a bigger screen, AirPlay lets you mirror or cast Prime Video directly to your TV. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use AirPlay on Prime Video in 2026, simple and smooth, okay? So first thing first, prepare your devices, like connect to the same Wi-Fi, connect your Apple device to Wi-Fi, connect your TV or Apple TV to the same network. This is required for AirPlay to work. Enable AirPlay on your TV, like go to your TV settings, turn on AirPlay. Your TV is now discoverable. Okay, so use AirPlay, like open Prime Video, like launch Prime Video, play any movie or episode. Okay, like this, for example. Content must be playing. Okay, that's a must. So tap AirPlay. Okay, so when you start the contents or the show, you have to tap AirPlay. So on iPhone or iPad, tap the AirPlay icon in the player or open Control Center, like screen mirroring. Okay, so a list of devices will appear. Select your TV. Okay, choose your AirPlay compatible TV or Apple TV. Video will start playing on your TV. Okay, control playback, like pause, play, rewind from your device, adjust volume and subtitles. Okay, your device becomes your remote. Okay, so stop AirPlay, like disconnect. So tap AirPlay again, select stop mirroring. Streaming stops instantly after that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.